Welcome back to Motor Updates. Today we're diving into the buzz around the potential 2025 Chevrolet Impala, what it could bring, where the rumors stand, and whether it's actually happening. Heading 1: The legacy. The Impala nameplate has long been a staple of Chevrolet's lineup, a full-size sedan that offered comfort, space, and American car presence through the decades. With the automotive market shifting away from large sedans, the Impala was discontinued after the 2020 model year. So when chatter started about 2025 Impala, it quickly captured the interest of fans and industry watchers. Heading 2: What the rumors say. Several sources and digital renderings claim the 2025 Impala will return, some indicating a bold redesign, perhaps even a performance-oriented variant. One report mentions a horsepower figure of around 305 horsepower and torque of 356 Nm, with a petrol engine and automatic transmission. Price expectations for a base model suggested starting in the low US $30,000 range. Heading 3: The reality check. Here's where it gets tricky. Despite the excitement, there is no official confirmation from Chevrolet about a 2025 Impala revival. One article from /Gear notes that the images circulating are likely AI-generated and emphasizes that Chevrolet has not announced the model. Also, the full-size sedan segment has been shrinking, making the business case more challenging. So while the rumors are fun, they should be taken with caution. Heading 4: What it would need to succeed. If Chevrolet does bring back the Impala in 2025, here are key areas it would need to hit. Modern styling plus heritage cues, a design that honors the Impala's past but feels fresh for today's buyers. Strong performance options, enough power and refinement to justify its return in a crowded market. Advanced tech and safety, up-to-date infotainment, connectivity and driver assistance systems to compete. Competitive pricing, since many buyers are shifting to SUVs or crossovers, the vehicle would have to offer good value. Clear positioning, it needs a distinct identity, whether a luxury sedan, performance car, or both. Heading 5: Final thoughts. In short, the 2025 Chevrolet Impala might be a real project, but at this point it remains speculative. Enthusiasts should stay tuned for official announcements. Until then, view the renderings and rumors as interesting possibilities rather than certainties.